I'm going to do the laundry soon, and one thing that I don't like about doing laundry is having to check all the pockets because there's always like tissue. I set this one up, I put tissue in there, but actually this load of laundry I did find money, which is for my wife's pants. I did contemplate keeping it for myself, but I'll give it back to her. So $11 that was about to go into the wash. $12. But thankfully, found it, took it out, tossed the jeans into the washer. And again, my pet peeve is having to clean out the pockets, but sometimes you reward with cash. But I'll give that back to my wife, sadly. And how about I start my washer? Over and out.